All right. Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm going to answer mini quiz question 7-3, question number 1. It's located on page 371. After this was asked by Daniel Post, which of the following calculates the monthly payment on a $5,000 loan for 2 years with an annual interest rate of 4%? Payment should be expressed as a positive number. Financial.pmt. You guys can kind of view it down here. Gets a little choppy, I guess, but and try and break it down here. So I made a little script for it here, just so you can read it better. So just like the question, I did, okay, so $5,000 loan. I made that a variable loan. Years is 2 years, so as 2. Interest is 4%. And then monthly payment is what I want to calculate for. And then here we are. Here's the actual expression here. So monthly payment, which is right here, this also has to be like a decimal. And kind of a key part on here is that he wanted a positive he wanted should be expressed as a positive number. And so that's why you're going to need this negative sign right here. This negative sign right there, and then financial.pmt. This is the .pmt is just kind of the formatting for this specific financial equation. I assume this is very specific to calculating the annual payment. Okay, so here we go. We have interest, and you're like, why would you divide it by 100? It's because it's a 4% interest rate, and we just made it a solid 4, so you got to divide it by 100. That's 0.04. And then you have to divide that again by 12 because that's the annual interest rate. So if we wanted monthly payments, if we didn't do that, then that would mess up our equation. It wouldn't be monthly payments. It would be going by yearly interest rate, not a monthly interest rate. And then years, again, kind of same concept. So we have two years. How many months are in a year is 12. So you have to multiply that to get the monthly. And then the loan's 5,000. That doesn't change at all. Shoot that text right on out to your label, and you're gonna go ahead and start it. And here you go. Calculate it, and we have $217.12. Again, if you didn't have, like, check it out. This is an issue with me, or an issue like when I was doing the homework that I had. Oh, so let's go financial. I'm gonna start it there. It has these weird parentheses here, and I believe that's because it's not necessarily a negative number. And then also when I'm doing, when I had to then use the monthly payment and calculate with that, it made my stuff all funky. So if you guys are still playing around the homework, keep that in mind, that when you make it negative here, then it kind of becomes like a positive. So, okay, guys, have a great rest of your week, and let me end this meeting. Bye.